Hey everybody, Peter Nieves here. I want to tell you a little bit about why I put together these elite challenges focused on client development and intellectual property. A lot of students come out of law school ready to enter into the legal profession, but not having training in the area of client development. Then they go into a law firm and they're working very hard, extremely hard, at trying to make their billable hours, understanding the difference between billed hours and billable hours, trying to make a good impression. However, within 7 years, many of them are going to be considered for partnership. In that consideration for partnership, one of the things that's actually looked at is whether or not you have a client book, whether you have multiple clients that you personally have brought in yourself, and whether or not you're managing clients of other individuals. Why is this important? Well, it allows a law firm to determine whether or not an individual will be a good partner, a good business partner going forward. Will there be somebody who is predominantly just doing the work of others, or will there be one that contributes to bringing work into the firm? My hope is to change the game here, because what I find in having mentored many law students and young attorneys throughout the United States is many of them are coming up for this partnership consideration, and they don't have the book. And so I've been training them on how to actually obtain clients, how to manage them well, make sure their clients do extremely well and they do well at the same time. Building independence, making it so they're not so reliant upon one or two rainmakers within a law firm, but instead they're bringing in work so they can build a book of $250,000, $500,000, and show that they are invested in the game, not just in working, but in being a business owner, which is something that is valuable in consideration for partnership. So these elite challenges are specifically created to help with that. I'm going to start talking about the secrets of client development, and I'm not talking about the generalities like going to the trade shows and social media and publishing articles and becoming an adjunct professor. I'm talking deeper. I'm talking actually allowing your work to work as a commodity, how to build relationships with foreign associates, and how to build an infrastructure where you are that allows you to create a strong revenue stream, meaning that you build a level of stability so that not only are you doing well, but you're helping other associates, you're helping paralegals, and together you grow within the firm so that not only does your own compensation grow, but that of the other associates, the paralegals, and others, because it's really important that not only you receive blessings, but you bless others in the process. So that's what this program is about. It's 5 days, it's very short, it's 1 hour per day. It's online through Google Zoom. There's an option to go VIP if you so choose. I know a lot of people like to have that because they like to have after the class the interaction, asking the questions, talking about their own personal circumstances, doing some searches on specific clients that they want to approach. I'm providing that in a separate VIP package, and the cost of this is remarkably low. I'm doing it for $95. Why is there a cost at all? Because I want to make sure that the people that are there are committed. If I'm taking my own billable time out to invest into others, I want to make sure they're invested in themselves. And at the same time, um, it's really important that people invest in their own future, quite frankly, and get used to that, because there's a lot that people can gain over time if they invest properly. So this is all put together. I might actually have a few prizes in there too. It starts June 7th. It goes to the 11th. 5 days online, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm looking forward to doing this with all of you and seeing people grow to their top potential, honestly. There's a lot of skilled attorneys out there, but many of them really have a difficult time building that book, and we have to make sure that they're prepared for that partnership consideration, and at the same time increase their own marketability, right? Because if you have a book of $250,000, $500,000, $750,000, not only do you come to a position where when it comes to consideration as a partner in a firm where you're hoping to become a partner, but they hope you become a partner there as well. it kind of changes the table when you're discussing your future and the future of your firm. Okay, so looking forward to doing this with all of you, and I will see you all out there. Take care.